Hello everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about a air duster that I purchased. It's been very convenient. I don't have air compressor. I don't like dealing with all that wiring in between me. I like everything to be cordless, not just my clippers but my air compressor too. This is actually a PC cleaner, computer cleaner. You can use it for all that, to clean your PC, but it's exactly the same strength, the same PSI of a air compressor that is used on regular barbershops, and it's completely wireless. You charge it overnight, Type-C Android and charger, and you have it for the whole day. It weighs about a pound. It's very convenient. I recommend it to every barber. Only cost me $50 at Amazon. Leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Eli the Barber coming right at you, giving you reviews, tutorials, etc. Thank you for your support.